Hey guys, we're back with another quick little video. Unless you've been living under a rock, you already know we're big fans of ProClip USA. I've been using them in my vehicles for years, and more recently they contacted us, set us up with a ProClip for the Jeep. And then as you probably have seen, we spent some time up there, went up to ProClip, they did a review of the Jeep. And while we were there, they hooked us up with a ProClip setup for our new vehicle. Many of you might not know about this one yet. We did pick up this 2014 Porsche Cayenne diesel. This baby's got 180,000 miles on it, but the thing still runs like brand new. So today I'm just gonna do a quick little video, show you how to install the ProClip in the 2014 Porsche Cayenne. I've already done a couple of these in some other vehicles. I've already installed them in other Cayennes, so it's pretty easy. I'm gonna show you, I really think this is one of the best mounting locations of any of the ProClips I've already installed, but let's get started. So the mount we picked up is the ProClip part number 854537, which as you can see is for Porsche Cayennes 2011 through 2017, which is when they switched over for 2018 to a new model year, or a new design. So this one, what it's going to do is it's actually going to clip in right here on the driver's side, and it mounts it in a good position where it's kind of down and out of the way, and I think it's just, to me, it's like the perfect spot of any of the vehicles I've tried. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is, using the supplied alcohol prep pad, you're going to use this to clean the area where the adhesive is on the ProClip mount. So you're going to want to clean up along the top here and along the bottom side, along down here where the adhesive is going to stick down here. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and peel back the two pieces of adhesive, and then you'll be ready to mount it. Once you've peeled the adhesive backings off, what you're going to do is just kind of press it down in here along the top, and you'll see it's got there's a little bit of a little ridge here that it's going to sit down in, and while you're pushing down on that, you're just going to push down until you feel it clip in here on the bottom side, and just like that, it's already mounted up. You can kind of slide it along here and adjust it up and down a little bit. I should say mine is still sliding because I didn't peel the adhesive tape yet, which you may want to test fit it before you peel the tape, see where you like it, and then use the tape. That's it. That's the ProClip mount is actually installed, other than me putting the adhesive on, and then you're ready to grab the actual phone mount. Next up is to install the device mount. I went with the 511666, which is the same one I used in the Jeep, and I've used it in a ton of different vehicles because I know that it fits my iPhone 10 perfectly, as well as being adjustable to be able to fit my wife's iPhone 7. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and we'll get started on this part. Alright, so with the device holder here, first thing you want to do is, using a small kind of skinny Phillips screwdriver, I'm just going to completely unscrew the screw that's in the center hole here. And this screw isn't going to come out. You just need to completely loosen it all the way. But like I said, it won't come out. It'll actually stay in there. And once that's fully loosened, you can separate the mount from the mounting base. Okay? So we've got that separated. Then what we're going to do is we're going to decide where we want this mounted on the holder here, which for me, you can see that there are preset screw holes in the device, and there's 4 around here, which is going to mount it right in the center of the mount. So those are the 4 I'm going to use, putting it just like this. You'll take the supplied screws, which they give you these, they supply these 4 tiny little screws. Now be careful with these screws because they are tiny, kind of hard to hang on to and easy to lose. I'm going to go ahead and get one started here. So that one's just loosely started, which makes it easier to then continue on to the next 3. And then once you've got them all started, you can go ahead and tighten them all down. Once they're all nice and snug, you're ready to go ahead and put this back on. You'll notice back here, it's on the back side, it's kind of got a square there that is going to match up with the square on here. So you just got to kind of get that lined back up. Once you get it lined back up, just go ahead and snug the screw back down. The more you tighten that, the tighter it's going to make the swivel here. So some people like it really tight, some people like to be able to move it a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and set this fairly snug. And I like it angled just a little bit towards me. The last step then is to loosen the other two screws here, the top one and this bottom one, so that it allows you to adjust the holder to the size of your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my iPhone 10 here. Oh, that's the Mojito Jeep. And set it in here, which looks like I've got it right on. And as you can see, I can still swivel it here and change the angle to whatever is best for me in the driver's seat. I think I like that angle right there. So what you can do then is pop your phone back out, and you can go ahead and tighten down the screws to lock it in place. And that's it. That's all she wrote. Nice and easy. Quick little less than 5-minute install. Makes it nice and easy. What I really like about the ProClip is that it is one-handed operation. I can adjust the angle with one hand. I can pop it out of the holder with one hand. And simple as that. Just like that, you can see it's installed nicely, and from sitting in the driver's seat, it puts it in a nice position here where I'm, by all my buttons. Doesn't block the vent too much here, so it will allow my AC and my heat and whatever I need to pass by, and still gives me access to all my buttons and functions here. That's going to do it for today's install of the ProClip in the 2014 Porsche Cayenne. If you'd like to find out more about any of the ProClip products, feel free to message us on our Instagram or comment below. Otherwise, you can contact them at ProClip USA. The team over there at ProClip USA, it's a good group of people to work with. They're always down to answer questions and help you out. So message them, contact them. They will help you out and get you hooked up with the right application for your vehicle. Thanks again. Our subscribers keep climbing. We love every one of you that keep supporting us, and we'll keep bringing you more content, mostly Jeep stuff, but now that we got this Cayenne, we might do a few little things here and there for it. We're just going to keep putting the miles on, see if we can get this baby to 300,000, see how she does. Thanks again for watching. Give us a big thumbs up. We appreciate it. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.